We make time for things that's important to us. For example, your lunch break, after hours after work, your days off, your PTO, Saturdays and Sundays. That's how you do it. That's how I do it. Honestly speaking, sometimes I wake up at 3 a.m. in the morning and I drive to a particular location and I stay there and I work. And then during my lunch break, I have meetings. And then after that, I work. After the work, I have meetings again. You do it Saturday, Sunday, you work morning, afternoon, night, you wake up early, you will stay up late. That's how you do it. No excuses. So you do all of this, you continue to do this, in no time, you quit your 9 to 5. And now you have time to do this all the time. At first, you think, I don't have time, which is no timer. And then later, you decide to do this, you commit to it, you become a part-timer. And then later on, you quit your 9 to 5, and then you become an all-timer. That's what you want to do.